Hi there, and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make a great game day recipe with these grilled dill pickle chicken wings. These can be made on your pellet grill, your gas grill, your charcoal grill. Take your pick, you can make them on any one. These have a great zesty flavor that is perfect for parties. You're going to need the following ingredients: 3 pounds of chicken wings, 2 cups of dill pickle juice, 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil or the spray, either one, along with 2 teaspoons of dried dill weed. Then you'll also need 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and salt. So this is going to be all you need for this recipe, most of which is going to be found right in your pantry. You can use olive oil as well if you don't have grapeseed oil. So the first thing you're going to do is place all the thawed chicken wings in a Ziploc bag and add in the pickle juice. Now you want this to lay flat in your fridge and marinate. So what I like to do is lay it flat in a pan, and then I put the whole pan in the fridge. This way, if the bag leaks at all, it's not going to be an issue. So after 2 hours, you're going to go ahead and combine your dill weed, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and salt in a bowl. And whenever you're done combining that and mixing it up, you're going to lay those wings on a tray and just coat them with the olive oil or grapeseed oil. If you use a spray, it's really easy to just give it a nice coat, and that's it. If you use just the regular oil, just use a brush and brush it onto each chicken wing. This just helps it get the crispy outer layer that you're wanting whenever you grill chicken wings. So I am finishing up making the seasoning and getting all of that added in. And this is going to give it a really nice zesty flavor. My son swears they taste like pickles. I don't think they taste like pickles. It tastes like dill, and it has a really good zest to it, which is what I prefer. So now that you've gotten the chicken wings coated, we've coated them already with the oil. You're going to just go ahead and sprinkle on the mixture that you made, the seasoning. So I am sprinkling that on to each chicken wing, going to rub that in, and then I'll flip them over and do it on the other side as well. So once you're done with that, go ahead and warm up that grill to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. You can be doing that too before you're seasoning your chicken wings. Place them on the grill grates for 10 minutes, and then you're going to rotate them after 10 minutes and continue cooking until they reach an internal temperature of at least 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, they are considered done at 165, but 175 is a lot better for the wings. So this is what they're going to look like whenever they're all done. You're going to have a crispy outer layer with a great zesty seasoning that's going to be perfect for game night. So this is how you make grilled dill pickle chicken wings. We like to pair ours with ranch, dipping sauce, if you like dipping sauce, but you can also eat them as is. They taste great. Find this full recipe over on mommyhatescooking.com. Thanks so much for tuning in today.